Welcome back to 2 Minutes Posing Saturday. Today, we're diving deeper into the art of boudoir photography. I'll reveal secrets on enhancing your poses and selecting the perfect lighting. Ready to take your skills to the next level? Let's jump right in. Today, we're introducing a wonderfully simple and elegant pose, perfect for starting a boudoir shoot. Let's walk through how I guide this pose. I ask our model to sit in front of the couch and slide her pelvis close enough so she can lean comfortably against it, maintaining a nice upright posture of the upper body. The legs are positioned so that the one closer to me is more bent than the other one. The legs are positioned so the one closer to me is more bent than the one farther away. I ensure that the knees and ankles are kept together and the legs are closed. It's important for me that the feet and toes are pointed and, if possible, the heel of the more bent leg is slightly raised. For the hands, I choose a placement where they can hold the button bracket of the blouse or chest level, allowing the client to decide how much or how little she wants to reveal in this pose. I then ask our model to direct her gaze towards the window to capture beautiful portrait lighting on her face. The light in our case comes from the right side from our large window front, providing only natural light. Show me how you've implemented this pose. Upload your photo. The link is in the video description. Camera settings for this shot, since we are working with side lighting and aiming to capture the contrast between highlights and shadows, I shoot with an aperture of f2.8, shutter speed is at 1/200th of a second and the ISO are at 3200. Discover how the Boudoir Secrets Masterclass Ultimate Pack presets can transform your photos. Get the Ultimate Preset Pack for Adobe Lightroom and Photoshop now. When it comes to photo editing, I start by adjusting the white balance. The color temperature in our studio is at 5500 and the tint at 15. I then increase the exposure by half a stop and select one of our beautiful presets. For this session, I choose our Boudoir Secrets Masterclass Ultimate Pack Color Contrast preset to create a beautiful skin tone and a strikingly contrasted image. I then correct the shadows by reducing them by 50 and adjust the highlights down by 10 to achieve a more appealing skin tone. I opt for the Boudoir Secrets Masterclass Portrait Soft Skin preset, adjusting its strength down to 50%. I revisit the crop and upright adjustments to position her even more attractively in the frame. And lastly, I remove a light switch and a small spot on the floor using the healing tool. And there you have it, our stunningly beautiful boudoir photo is complete. Thank you for joining us on 2 Minutes Posing Saturday. Don't forget to tune in for the next episode and another fascinating pose. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos. See you next time.